What's up guys, my name is Rens and welcome to the RSN Investing YouTube channel. This is our first ever YouTube video and face reveal in one. Now you finally have a face behind the Discord account named Rens. So let me explain what we will do in this series. We want to paint a realistic picture about how to go from $0 to $5,000 with investing in crypto, stocks and whatever. So we will take you along for this ride. We will record all the investments we make so you can watch along and maybe even join us. Every week or every other week we are going to make an update video in which we will go over all the stocks and all the crypto purchases we made and go over their performance, and we can note all the losses and gains and take profit if needed. We will keep track of everything in an Excel file, which we will also update live at the end of every video. And of course, every end of the month we want to deposit some money we can invest, but to keep it realistic we want you guys to choose the amount we are going to deposit. So leave a comment down below and say what amount we should deposit every month. Alright, so let's get right into the action, and let me start with making myself a bit smaller so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, perfect. Okay, so for crypto, for our altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum purchases, we are going to use Binance. And for our stock purchases, investments, we are going to use eToro. So as you can see, I only have 10 cents on eToro. My portfolio is empty. And Binance, let me check my wallet real quick. Okay, 2 cents. So both accounts are empty, and you will see everything we will do with these accounts. To start this journey, I'm going to deposit $100 on Binance and $100 on eToro. So I'll be back once I've done that. So as you guys can see, our $95 are deposited. We actually deposited $100, but after fees and everything we're left with $95.31, and on eToro also our $95.92 are here. So also here almost $5, 5% gone after fees. So let's see what crypto and stocks we are going to buy with this $200. Okay, so let's start with the crypto buys. Okay, we want to keep a big portion of our $100 here in Bitcoin and Ethereum because that's the safest option. And also let me see which altcoin we are going to buy. Here we have our Discord. Let me go to altcoins. I was thinking of Solana. Solana is very interesting right now, as you can see on this chart here. Let's take it on TradingView. So yeah, USDT. You can see, let me zoom out real quick. Solana is almost down 90% from the top, so we're interested in Solana for $33. So let's start off with Solana and sell USDT. Okay, we are going to buy one Solana for $33.1 US. Okay, so you put the price here, or we are going to go under the price if we want. We can also 31, let's see, 31.4. okay, 31.4, one Solana buy. So our limit order is created and is in the system now, and we'll see if it gets hit. We can see in the next video. Okay, so Ethereum, Ethereum, USDT. Let's see how much dollars have we got left. Where 63. So let's put you can choose the amount of Ethereum or the total amount of USDT. Let me go to Ethereum real quick and look if I can see. Okay, so let's say for this price area. Alright, we'll just buy spot for the sake of the video. Let's do $60, no, $61 of, never mind, 31, I mean, $31 of Ethereum. Yeah, buy, limit order, okay. And then BTC. Oh, why did I type BTC? BTC USDT. I don't care. Okay, we have 32.9 left, so 32.9. This price, buy Bitcoin. Okay, so our money is gone. No, it's not gone. We bought, or it's not gone. We don't have crypto yet. It's still in dollars. Or not, I don't know. Okay, we already have the Ethereum. Okay, and the Solana and Bitcoin order still need to go through, still need to get hit. Okay, so this is the first part of the video. Now let's go over to eToro and buy some stocks. Okay, so let me pull up Discord again. I'm gonna go to stocks and let's see if I can see an interesting stock I want to buy for this video. Yeah, okay, Nvidia. I like Nvidia. Okay, so let's go. Let me look at trading view stocks. Nvidia. Can we find Nvidia somewhere in this list? Ah, here it is. Okay, so the opening almost 4% down at opening today. I think the bottom of this little range, as you can see, I think that's a nice buy opportunity, and if we go up, that's already 4%. Okay, so let's go to eToro, type in Nvidia, trade. We want to buy Nvidia for I think I'm gonna do 2 stocks for this video, so let's do $50. No TP, 1 leverage. Okay, it's a CFD, so you don't have to buy the whole stock. As you can see, it's a CFD trade. You don't have to buy the whole stock, you can buy a portion of a stock. Okay, so Nvidia is 122 and we can buy $50 worth of Ethereum, or Ethereum, what am I saying? Nvidia. No, don't share, buy order failed. Okay, and let me pull up Discord again and see if I have another nice stock I'm interested in. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think Meta is nice. Yeah, as you can read there, if Meta loses price area, it would be problematic. Okay, let's see how Meta is looking on trading view at the moment. Now I have to find it somewhere in this list again. I'll just type it. Top left corner you can type Meta platforms. Okay, so it actually has gone up a little and opening bad again, finding support around this area. As you can see, found support here. I think it's a nice buy opportunity. We're not going too deep into technical analysis for this video, but it's a nice opportunity to buy Meta here. So let's search for Meta platforms. Yes, trade. How many dollars do we have left? Why can't I see that? Okay, let's do 50 if we, okay, deposit, okay, 45. Can we do that? Yeah. Okay, 0.3 of meta. Now to pay again, we will take the pays live in the video, in the update video. Okay, open trade. Yeah, okay, order failed. Let's see. Wrong. Okay, as you can see, we have bought Nvidia and Meta as our stocks, as our two stocks for the beginning of this series. Yeah, you can see how much you invested here. My Siri is going off. Let me put that off real quick. Okay, so we have 0.4 Nvidia, 0.3 Meta, invested 50, 45, P&L, so profit loss, P&L percentage, and here you can sell or buy extra or take profit. Okay, and let's see if our Binance orders have been hit. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so no, our Solana order didn't go through yet. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, $32 worth, $31 worth of Ethereum, and also $31 worth of Solana, but that order needs to get hit. It still needs to get hit. Okay, I hope you get the concept of this series. We buy stocks, we buy crypto, and which, my god, Siri is going off again. Shut up. So we are going from 0 to $5,000 as a challenge. We started off with depositing $200. We bought our crypto, we bought our stocks, and I'm going to end this video on that note. No, wait a minute. Let's look at this. The stock market just opened, and as you can see, it's not looking good today. Let's see if the markets can recover. Yeah, and in the next video we are going to update on our positions in crypto and stocks, of course, and we will show you the Excel file we made to keep track of everything. So for now, I actually want to thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You remember what I asked in the beginning of this video? Comment down below how much we should deposit at the end of every month. So we want to keep it realistic so you guys can decide what amount we are going to deposit. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm out.